Hi, my name is Tarun Beg. I am one of the co-founders of INFU Labs. INFU is an AI-driven company developing products in the field of analytics and cybersecurity. As an organization, we predominantly work with large enterprises and defense agencies as well as law enforcement agencies across the country. Some of our customers includes the largest paramilitary forces in the world. At INFU, we have a state-of-the-art predictive intelligence platform called Prophecy. Prophecy is a big data analytical platform which takes data from a multitude of sources. Could be unstructured data such as text documents, could be videos and images, could be structured databases spread across the organization. We correlate all those data sources into our big data repository and run AI models on that and start predicting events which are likely to happen. The framework is specifically tailored for law enforcement agencies as well as defense forces. A lot of people have asked us this question, when the entire world was moving into the corporate sector or developing technology for the corporate sector, why was INFU focused at these areas? Let me give you certain case studies of what we have achieved with Prophecy, and maybe that will explain why we do or why we love doing what we do. One of the recent cases that we did, a state police department, Delhi police for that matter, used only one module of our solution to identify 3,000 missing children in a duration of 4 days. As the first actual use case of AI for social welfare. Imagine a situation where 3,000 kids, missing kids, are reunited with their families. This is the power of AI. For one of the largest paramilitary forces in the world, where we are predicting infiltration hotspots, places where infiltration can take place, when can it take place, what are the parameters which are affecting that this is making a value change to millions of people. Every crime that we are able to prevent ends up saving lives, ends up saving property. This is not just exciting, this is also need of the hour. And this is a space which requires cutting edge technology intermixed with a lot of domain expertise. At INFU, we have an 8-year domain expertise in the field of security and surveillance, not just for law enforcement agencies but also for large enterprises. Our big data analytical platform takes data in terms of videos and images, in unstructured data, audio recordings, converts all that data into statistics on which our AI models run to predict frauds in case of insurance sector. For law enforcement, we predict events before they can take place. And for multiple other sectors like banking and financial, we are also able to identify loan frauds. What we intend to do as we go ahead is to move from business to business to actually business to consumers, where we can provide security at a consumer level.